Hi, I'm Jennifer of Celtic Knot Crochet, and today we're going to go find the yarn to make this Celtic bracelet that glows in the dark. Yarn! Here it is, we found it. I also ordered some Lion Brand 24/7 cotton. I love this color and it'll work great with this bracelet. Let's start crocheting. Now we have our 2 cords completed. It's time to weave them together. Watch how easy it is. Here's our Celtic knot, all woven and ready to attach to the strap, and then we add a snap and our Celtic bracelet is ready to wear. Remember, you can find the free pattern at CelticKnotCrochet.com along with a step-by-step video tutorial. Happy Crochet Month and happy St. Patrick's Day!